Kuna nani hapa?
Mko na Frank.
Ati umesema umetoka wapi?
Si tunatoka Karatina,
Mhm.
the Green University.
Okay. Give a shout out to university.
Oe, wanangu wa Karatina hapo, maguys, tumefika Chuka hapa, feel recognized wazi. Thanks.
POP, only that. Right, these are good pimps for baby for life.
Amekuja kufanya nini huku Chuka?
Chuka tumkuja kucheza hapa Kusa Games. Currently Karatina University tunaweza search pale KUSEF, tuko top of the table. So tomorrow we're aiming on 1 win. Then we move on to the nationals. Thank you.
That is the beauty of it.
What do you think about Chuka now that it's your first time to be here?
Actually, it's not my first time to be here.
Okay.
That hurt.
But it's a very welcoming place. It's very good. Surrounding, the structures, everything about it, it's just okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you enjoy most being in campus?
In campus?
Yeah.
Wow. In campus, what I enjoy in campus? The free time in campus.
Oh, there are too much free time in campus.
Exactly.
There's only one rule. Are you ready? Here it is. There are no rules.
What do you do in your free time?
Free time. Actually, kitu anibamba wakati wa free time wanacheza rugby. Sana. Yani mimi ukinikosa kwangu, nikose darasani, then automatically in that rugby pitch.
Okay.
Oh, I'm hurt. Oh, my neck.
Yeah.
So what can you tell someone who wants to play rugby?
Rugby is a very fun sport, guys. And it's a hooligan game played by gentlemen. Yeah.
So what do you think about 3 ladies men should avoid in 2026? 3 types of ladies men should avoid in 2026.
3 types of ladies men should avoid in 2026.
Here I come.
Oh.
Here I come.
Oh.
1. Nieke nikuje. That one. Sumuelewa?
Yeah, okay.
Ya pili. Naweza kuja sapa. Huyo msemo ni mbaya.
Utaki wakuje sapa?
Actually mrembo wangu ni rugby na moja tu. Rugby na mrembo mwingine mmoja.
Okay.
Sasa mimi na warembo wangapi?
2.
Utakufa vibaya wewe na kuhurumia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another one, the last one.
Alafu kuna hawa sasa nadhani nitaingia personal kidogo. Sasa kuna hawa ambao wenye mafr.
Okay.
Hapo ukiona kama hiyo toka mbio. Toka mbio.
Okay. So, what is your turn up on women in 2026?
Mimi siku zote sipendi dem amebeba sana.
Kwa nini unaogopa kugongewa ama?
Si kugongewa. Spendi tu. Nikisema itakuwa nkampe naonea, lakini acha tu, sitaki kusema.
Okay.
You get it?
So to reverse ni nini?
To reverse?
Yeah. To reverse.
Oh, to reverse. Sitasema.
Jaribu.
I won't.
No.
I won't, manake yaonekana watu wengi, kwa hiyo cheki, sitaki kuingia personal, kwa hiyo ndio maana nimeiweka pending.
So the last question, are you smart?
For me?
Yeah.
I think I'm smart.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how smart are you?
Yeah. How smart I am?
Well, we're waiting.
Tuseme kama nipatie 6, manake mimi pia maswali ya ghafla huwa siko poa sana.
Okay. So, coming from Kenya, she's a Kenyan. What about Uganda?
She's a Uganda. Nama ni
America?
American.
Mexico?
Mexican.
It's me, Mexican Joker.
UK?
What the hell was that?
UK. Sijui hiyo.
Brazil.
Brazilian.
This is Brazil.
France.
He's a French.
Okay, that's good.
We bring in the studio this morning.
Maya. Hananani? Shamga.
Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
Morning to you.
What do you enjoy most being in campus?
Sleeping.
Only sleeping?
Yeah, and eating.
Bread makes you fat.
What do you eat most?
Maembe. Chele. Indomie. Is that?
What if maembe is not in season? What do you enjoy eating again?
What? Mchele tu.
Na wewe?
Kuexplore like vitu mingi, kutembea. Is it?
God have mercy upon us.
Are you dating?
Nope.
Do not date. I do not date. Dating is for small boys.
Why?
It is complicated. I don't know. I have no reason.
Okay.
Deep down in my heart.
Okay, what are 3 types of men ladies should avoid in 2025?
Types of men.
Yeah.
Stingy men. Alafu I think hao tu. Wengine sijui.
Na wewe?
Juu nini?
Nini? What kind of men ladies should avoid in 2026?
Broky.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Wicked men, like, men are wicked, but
What do you think of the upcoming Valentine?
you don't think any better.
Are you dating?
Yeah, I'm dating.
Tell us what you are planning to give to your man.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh, me gifting a man, never. Okay, I can gift my man a car maybe, but not now. After campus, like,
Okay.
nikipata pesa.
Unaona kama utamgift type gani ya gari?
Cybertruck.
I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke.
Cybertruck.
Ama okay, mpango anapenda Subaru. Hii Subaru. Hii inatoanga moshi hapa nyuma.
I don't sleep. I am looking for money.
Okay. Unaona kama iko na pesa ngapi?
I know it's worth so 6 million. 6 million tunataka mpya.
Kuja karibu na kamera. 6 million.
I know it's worth.
It's what? Now, are you sure you'll get that 6 million immediately and buy him a car before buying yourself a car?
Is the one who is going to buy me a car. So pia mimi kitu nazo gift mpo wangu ni car. Juu naweza muongezea ingine kama atakuwa amenunua ingine.
Okay.
Money, we need money.
Okay.
After comeback.
Can you give a shout out to your man?
Oh, I love my man. Namwambia ama.
Angalia kamera umwambie unampenda.
Oh, I love my man. Hivyo. Ananipenda.
Two rivers ni nini? Two rivers ni nini? What is two rivers? Yeah.
I don't know.
Try.
I don't know. I can't try because I don't know.
I don't know, man.
Rivers in Nairobi. Two rivers iko Nairobi.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
So if you're coming from Kenya, you are Kenyan. What if you're coming from Uganda?
I'm a Ugandan. I went to
Brazil,
Brazil.
Morocco.
I'm a Morocco.
Morocco.
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco.
Yeah.
Morocco.
What the hell was what was that?
UK.
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom.
France.
France. I don't know. I'm from Kenya, so I don't know.
One drunk man is more intelligent than 3 women with PhDs.
Thank you so much.
Try.
France.
France.
Nimbaya. I talk French.
Nimbaya.
I try.
Sijui si French, British, from Britain. Mimi sijui hii kitu inaenda viral unajua na hatujui.
Me, I go straight up. Hiki tu iko wama una.
Uko poa?
Kuna nani hapa?
Kona bano.
Nice.
Unasoma?
Nasoma.
What do you enjoy most being in campus?
Being in campus, mostly enjoy rugby and studies because I'm also an intellect, you know.
Okay.
Truly, you have a dizzying intellect.
In general, studies and co-curricular activities.
Are you dating?
Right now?
Yeah.
Depends on who's asking.
Just me asking.
Just you asking?
Yeah.
Well, I don't like to put my things out there so much, but maybe or maybe not.
Okay.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you.
So let's talk about the coming Valentine. What do you think about Valentine?
First of all, I don't think if you're in a relationship, I feel like Valentine should be every day.
Okay.
Yeah, like every day you should show a girl love and like that. But this Valentine, HSBC 7th, Nyayo Stadium, that's where we at.
Okay.
You're not taking a girlfriend out?
Of course, I'm taking her out.
Unaona kama utambaia nini?
Kitu ya kumbaia? Nataka kumbaia lingerie. Ndo kitu yenye hata mimi utanifaidi.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Spell lingerie.
Huh?
Spell the word lingerie.
Lingerie, Lingirie.
Are you smart?
Oh, yeah, of course I'm very smart.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how smart are you?
10.
And I say this without any fear of contradiction.
If I'm in Kenya, I'm a Kenyan. What about Uganda?
Ugandan.
Mexico?
Mexican.
France?
French.
Uganda?
Ugandan.
Brazil?
Brazilian.
UK?
Englishman or British.
Now, I'm not. Oh, very well.
Yeah.
Okay. In 2026, 3 types of ladies men should avoid.
3 types of ladies men should avoid. Men should avoid entitled ladies.
Okay.
You know, I wasted everyone's money. I wasted everyone's everything, and I feel bad. You don't think I feel bad?
First of all, men should avoid broke ladies.
Thing has been hurting me.
3, men should avoid ladies who feel like men should bring 100% in their lives in terms of finances and vibe. I feel like in the world we are living right now, ladies should also bring something to the table.
Am I right or wrong?
Do you believe in 50-50?
I don't believe in 50-50, of course, because a man should be dominant, but I believe in me doing something and my girl also doing something on the side, but I don't believe in 50-50.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
You happy now?
what is your turn off on ladies?
My turn off on ladies is just like I've said, entitled ladies and ladies who feel like I should bring 100% on the relationship. That's a turn off for me and an ick.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you tell your fellow comrades over here?
My fellow comrades over here, I'll tell them to maximize on themselves.
It's an evil world we live in.
Ensure they do things that make them happy.
Okay.
And they become better people so that other people can see them as better, good people and support rugby, man. Rugby is the best sport, even slightly over football.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you tell us what is Two Rivers?
Two Rivers. Two Rivers Mall or Two Rivers, literally.
Whatever you think, just according to your view.
When you talk about Two Rivers, the only Two Rivers I know is the Two Rivers Mall.
Okay.
And no other Two Rivers I know at the moment.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
What's IT in full?
Information technology.
Oh,
Nice.
that's good. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks so much.
It's nice.
Mambo,
Poa.
kuna nani hapa?
Asawa Abud.
I never spelled it.
Sorry,
Asawa Abud.
unasoma? Kwa which year?
Second year.
What do you enjoy most being in campus?
What I enjoy most in campus is just the campus life.
Okay.
It's a bit funny, but that's what we enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you preparing for the coming Valentine?
Yeah. I'm preparing.
What are you preparing for?
I'm preparing to be out somewhere like out Mombasa. Yeah.
No, he's great. I think he's doing a great job.
Are you taking someone there together with you?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the plans mostly like? Nenda kufanya nini Mombasa?
So Mombasa, it's just a walkout. Ni Valentine. So mnatembea tu nje. Hakuna kitu ingine mingi tunafanya huko.
Okay.
Just kupelekana nje enjoy the breeze, alafu turudi chuka kusoma.
Oh my God!
Wow! In 2026, what are the 3 types of ladies men should avoid?
Broke ladies.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
1. Number 2, broke ladies. Number 3, broke ladies.
Yourself the season, man.
Yeah.
What is your turn off on women?
Turn off on women.
We're waiting.
Turn off on women. Tuseme tu msichana anadanganya though. Once amedanganya once, and inamaanisha anaweza danganya tena.
Okay.
So that's a turn off.
What else?
What else is a girl with so many best friends? Mara huyu ni best, yeah, that's a turn off.
Okay. So, a Kenya. So that means I'm a Kenyan. What about Uganda?
Uganda.
America.
America.
Mexico.
Mexican.
France.
Yes, do it.
I'm French. Why do you think I have this outrageous accent, you silly king?
Yes, do it.
Brazil.
Brazilian.
UK.
Choose your words wisely, madame, for they may be your last.
I'm not good on that though.
Thank you for that.